next up, guys, got a really nice dozer here. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view. But this is a 2014 Deere 700K LGP. What gets this thing pretty exciting? 2,400 hours, guys. So very low houred. The paint and everything's just in excellent shape. It does look to have some GPS on it there. It's got the trimble, the trimble kind of beacons there at the front. But so it's at least wired for all that grade control and things of that nature. We'll try to have that outlined a little better in the description. But undercarriage probably right around 75-80%, guys. 6-way, good blade up front, good clean interior, heat, AC obviously. This is probably as nice of a dozer as we've had in, just very clean and low hours. So I'm here with Pat. He'll fire it up. He's going to give you a nice demo. Fires right off there, guys. Obviously cold, windy, not a great day, but this just got here, and this nice little piece, just got to get it out there for you guys to see it. So do our best to get pictures here. Try to have everything out. Power shift transmission. I'll have a ton of pictures. As you can see, as he goes around, the paint, the doors, this thing isn't rusty, it's not beat up. Extremely nice. So there's the demo, guys, on the 2014 Deere 700K LGP. Really low hours, really clean. So, buy the comments. So, guys, auction time at Old